Pertama, saya nak bagi clear sikit that I'm and Dato' Nicole today dah start. In fact, last month kita dah start to meet all these Olympian yang qualified. Okay, we have a 5 athlete that qualified. So today our first attempt. Next week we are going to see Shazrin, siapa lagi tu, Nur Aisyah, and lupa another one more. Another 3 athletes next week. Because I'm not I'm CDM for everybody, for the team qualified. So I discussed with Dato' Nicole, we must have to meet now, start to all these athlete yang dah qualified for the Olympic. RTG lah, RTG that different. So RTG inside in dalam our job to cater. So now today we meet this Rodic, Diver, and also Jonathan, Pistol today. I think both, free injury and looking forward for few World Cup tournament. Like Rodic, they're going to Canada for next week. That the last, I think, their tournament before training, before going to Paris. And this Jonathan going to Baku, Azerbaijan, World Cup also, and Germany. Munich in Germany. So they have 2 tournament good for the May and June. So good for them. Beside training, they have a tournament, to make sure for the Paris they are ready. This one, the good one, both of 2, they are free from injury. So I just briefed by this secretary, just not Andy, I think Andy, that the team, as we know that Dato' Pandalela, Dabita, when they out already last Doha. I've been in Doha to see their performance that during Doha, but I think kita pun tahu the result because certain injury and also not really perform, that we are not qualified. Qualified. So for this Jonathan, they qualified in Rio de Janeiro but didn't qualify this Japan. Now they qualify in Paris. Paris. But for this Rodic, this is the first time, 19 years old, and this is a good potential for Malaysia for the future, for the Olympic. Important for Rodic for me, for the next Paris, definitely we want medal. But importantly, the first, I think the KPI, I said to Rodic, must improve the ranking. Now they said the ranking is 12. I want to improve. Definitely we want something during Paris, but let we push time by time Rodic, and I think this Rodic mental very strong. When I met a few times, and also in Doha during tournament, and also in Kuala Lumpur, but this this Rodic 19 years old, they can go for Olympic. If we must take care for this Rodic, because they have a potential, a potential for future for Malaysia. Okay. Now maybe Dato' Nicole, please, something Dato' Nicole, please.
Well, firstly, we are so proud to have our 5 athletes that have qualified. Now we are looking forward to all the next few months of the qualification rounds, and these are the crucial moments for them to really give it their all. I'm sure they are all training very hard in all the different sports. So myself and Dr. Hamidin are just here to just give them as much positive reinforcement, positive support that we can offer, but it's up to them. They are there to bring our nation proud. They are there to work hard, and they are there to just give it their all. So we just hope for the best, and these next few months are important, so looking forward to see what's coming.
From my part and Dato' Nicole, we always meeting the MSN and Sport Minister to make sure to support all these athletes, not in RTG. So I think very positive from the Menteri that will support anything that association or the place need until our Paris, and then to Paris. Okay. So question. Siap brother.
Selain
Veteran.
Veteran Rodic.
Okay, Rodic.
Dengan veteran camp terjun negara ramai yang gagal untuk Olimpik lagi. Pandangan Datuk bagaimana?
I think Dabita 2 times already Olympic, and Dato' Pandela 4 times, 5 times, I think. So I think when I meet Dato' Pandalela, Rodic, this diver plus Dabita, I think they're really down. They're really down, and I think they give dia punya heart and soul to training and also to play. But sometimes in this sport, this one can happen. It can happen. You cannot every time this Dato' Pandai can go until there is something. But I think that potential like Rodic be there. And also ada few that mentioned by the secretary for this diver that I think that we must keep and will be replaced. But I think Dabita and Dato' Pandela told me they are going preparation for this LA because so it's good, their mentality is strong, they want to go to some. I think okay, this open for everybody. So I said to them that important for this both Dabita, Dato' Pandela, you are senior. You know already where the plus minus. I think you have another one more in LA another 4 years. So and also plus for the new divers, example like Rodic. Okay, so we hope that we will continue to produce new athlete in diving. Okay.
Firstly, beberapa senior divers dan hoki tidak layak. So mungkin ada kerisauan bahawa saiz contingent kali ini lebih rendah daripada sebelum ni.
I have a meeting CDM last week with my team, MSN, ISN, OCM, and these people, my team. Bukan kerisauan, kita dah memang tak layak. That you must remember, that we must accept. For this Olympic is tough for us. Tough for us. But my message to Dato' Azizul, okay, Dato' Azizul belum qualified lagi, belum confirm lah to qualify. Same with Shah and with us, badminton, Aaron dengan all these player. But for us, anybody that plays or athlete qualified, that we must push the maximum to get the medal. To get the medal. That important. Definitely we want for the first gold medal that the minister already launched with the MSN and also ACM to go for the first medal to create the history. But kita pun don't forget also we need also as much that medal we get dengan tu semua. That my this one. Dan you mention just now betul hockey dengan few this one. So we must accept that didn't qualify, but we must give our best to push and to polish until this Paris for the balance of this athlete. Maybe we already know that the size already reduced. That we must accept.
Atlet macam Rodic yang dah layak belum masuk dalam RTG, kita betul nak push pada meeting RTG.
Saya sebenar ada bincang dengan Rodic tadi. Saya pun rasa nak recommend this Rodic to RTG because our RTG not only for Paris. This minister that announced this one also for LA 2028 because we must continue. If not continue, that we have problem. If they benefit for the place, why not? But leave it to this minister and committee. This one, I will propose to this one. Rodic because they have potential. They're young and 12 ranking. I say to him, minimum your KPI, minimum you must improve your ranking. Minimum lah. You got medal is good for us, Okay, give Faris chance. Yes, Rajan.
Your experience dengan bola ada continuity lah bila ada player-player dari muda akan jadi ke senior. Situasi nampak sama dengan Olympic. Some of the older guys and then some of the new guys. Macam Dato' cakap, bertraining kena long term. So how you see untuk yang muda tapi tak layak dikekalkan juga dalam program, bukan RTG, mungkin cadangan untuk
dalam podium
dan seterusnya.
I think definitely in our meeting RTG ataupun in my propose as a CDM meeting that we are looking forward for the young and new potential. I give for example Rodic lah, many lah this one. So beside that ada one or two lagi good based with the performance. So I agree with Rajan. We must follow up and give any incentive to them, example to podium, or maybe if they're really good, go to RTG. RTG. So we must polish because we cannot get a success after they old. After that we get a success. No, sometimes young also can do so. From young we must polish. At least a potential can get our first gold medal.
Betul. Do you see that terlalu tumpuan untuk just gold medal? Yes, kita semua nak gold medal, tapi contingent dah kecil, chances lebih sikit. Mungkin kita boleh lebihkan fokus pada 2028.
Okay.
Build up.
I think that initiative by by OCM, MSN, MSN by Minister this one for this to build. You must remember because until now we cannot get one gold medal, So I think that one of the macam mana kata that incentive to put that specialist on for the gold medal. But the rest, I think they're in podium, in MSN, all taken care this one. So I think they are different strategy, but the MSN also about the podium dengan lain program also different strategy. We will manage this one accordingly. Not really we'll go for the gold medal because gold medal too, because that we have to create history. That also good initiative by the KBS or by the minister to do this one. But I think MSN when we have meeting, they also always follow up about this podium, hockey or any other games.